How about buildings you see around your factory? How it is built and how it looks like? Tell me something about it. Thank you. It's an interesting question out here. I can see several of the buildings in my factory, but those buildings were built around 2019, around 2 years. So it's been a quite interesting fact, There are so many great buildings out here, and people been working. Daily laborers were working all around in order to make it a beautiful one. Several painters and also around several masons, laborers been working in construction works, and they've been involved in the construction work also. So at that time when the factory was built 2 years before, so people were so much stressed up in order to complete the construction projects. At that time we were thrilled and pressured to work day and night 24 hours in order to complete the remaining finishing works of the factory. Now the factory seems a beautiful place. So much around the corner there are so many gardens, beautiful flowers, and all those things combined in order to make this factory a beautiful place. So it's actually quite an important fact. We face several problems during the rainy seasons. Actually, whenever in the rainy seasons we have a casting date, so we had a casting date. In that date, when the casting usually takes place, after the casting we used to cover the whole area. You used to cover the whole area after the casting, and then after several days, 7 to 8 couple of days, we put water on the area to save it from the zones, and this makes a really beautiful concept, isn't it? And that was so much interesting fact, by the way. So we feel so much pressured at that time. So it's a beautiful concept. There are several of the buildings now here. I'm seeing a Evercare hospital in our Chittagong, which is one of the most beautiful infrastructure. There's also, I see a helipad out here at the top of the building. This helipad used to design for the VIP patients who comes from a long distance place, and whenever it's an emergency, so the helipad is usually used in that case. The building color is also beautiful. I ordered some colors as per these buildings. I think it's a French gray building. So yeah, it's quite beautiful out here, and the outer glass looks mesmerizing. It's really glossy. The white and the combination of black and ash. Oh, it's awful. So from the road I can see the whole view of our buildings, and there besides our buildings there is another factory which is KDS Idea, a sister concern of KDS Group. So everything combines and make it more beautiful out here. So I've been going down to look after my construction project works. Let's see how it works right now, because one of my seniors has called me to go to on site and to see whether everything works okay or not. Thank you for having a conversation over me. I'll be staying right now. Take care. Bye.